Hello, it's Garemore. This is my updated Arduino talking clock, temperature, and light monitor. I added an alarm clock feature. You see these lights here. This comes on when it's speaking. This means that there's the alarm is set, and this means this is a high temperature warning. So unplug it. It's high temperature. It will also go to full brightness. And it's also the brightness varies with the brightness of the room. I got the alarm clock set. When you hold down the alarm set button, it will see if I can. To set the alarm here. Now you can hear what it sounds like. And you just wait. The buttons here, the alarm set, hours, minutes, and the announcement button. There we go. It's set now. Now we just wait, and this is the audio switching circuit here, and the temperature and light sensors are right there. That's how you silence the alarm. That's it for my Arduino based talking alarm clock. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.